Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Rebecca, Becky, Bex, however you want to call me. In today's video, I'm going to be creating a little look using the NYX Foil Play Cream Pigments. Now, if you guys have seen my trying on NYX eye products, I'll link that somewhere on screen. But if you guys have seen that video, you guys know that one of my favorite products from that testing video was the NYX Foil Play Cream Pigment, and this was in the shade Pop Quiz. I loved this pigment. This pigment was just like holy grail favorite. I loved this pigment. Don't get me wrong, I did love all the products in that video, but I especially loved this cream pigment. So I loved it so much that I'm decided to use two more of these pigments, and I'm going to be creating a little eye look using not two but all three of them. Let's not hesitate and create an eye look using these pigments. If you guys are going to enjoy this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, please don't forget to subscribe, please don't forget to hit that notification bell and share this video with your friends, whoever likes makeup. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, link is in the description bar below. Let's get started and create a look using the NYX Foil Play Pigments. Okay, so I've just brought you guys closer so we can try on those pigments. So I've already stuck tape on my face because I kind of know what look I want to do, and also the fact we are working with pigments, so I thought the tape would make my life just a little bit easier. So the pigments we have, so these are the two new pigments I haven't tried. So we have one of the shades called Malice, which is a gunmetal grey. It's like a bluey grey colour, really pretty. And then we've also got the shade Radio Cast, which at first I thought it came out like a light grey colour, but after swatching it, it's actually this beautiful light green color with a hint of gold. It is so stunning. If you want to create like a mermaid kind of look, or if you wanted to wear like neutral colors in the crease and then put this on the lid, it would look stunning. This is probably my favorite one out of the three. And then of course the one I used in my previous video, this one is in the shade Pop Quiz, so it's this really nice pop of gold. I was thinking of creating like a very sort of smoky line kind of look, because I've done like loads of intense looks in my previous videos, so I want to do like something quite pretty and smoky, but also not the most overly intense as well. I'm going to start off with the shade Radio Cast, which is that beautiful mermaid green color. So I'm just going to pop this in the lid. I've got to admit, I have to say, this is probably one of the best packagings I've seen when it comes to loose pigments. This is probably the best. Oh, that was probably a bit too much I've just put in there. Oh yeah, for prices wise, so the price for the cream pigments comes at £7 on the Boots website, NYX website. Superdrug is £7, but they seem to be doing it in slightly other prices, but I think the most popular price is £7. But to be honest, you don't need a lot of this pigment anyway because it's very, very intense. So I'm just going to grab an angled Real Techniques brush. It is clean, it's just I did do this for a very old video and that colour has sort of stained my brush a bit, but it is clean, it's just a bit stained. So I am just going to pick that colour up with the brush, lining my eyes. Oh yeah, I have also primed my eyes with the Too Faced Shadow Insurance. No one uses this anymore, but you know, it's nice to have an old eyeshadow primer. I'm just gonna start lining my eyes with this. Can we see how beautiful this is? Guys, this pigment is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, it is so stunning. So I'm gonna go in with a different angle brush now. I'm just gonna go in with that Malice, which is that gunmetal grey colour. BH Cosmetics is their 107 brush. Just going to start creating a wing. I don't want to do like a big dramatic wing. I just want to do something just so then there is a wing, but also blending it in with this colour as well. So I'm keeping the look, you know, sort of fairly simple. Fairly simple. I'm going to go back in with Radio Cast, just using that same brush. I'm just going to blend Melice and this colour together. So we can just blend them both in together. Be careful though, because the pigment does make a little bit of a mess. Oh, these pigments are so beautiful. Right, this might go horrifically wrong. It might work out well. We'll see. So I'm just going to grab because I want to sort of make this line a bit more smoky, just to add a little bit of smoke. So I'm going to grab my Huda bronzer. So it's just a nice light brown colour. Like, I know it's a bronzer, but I'm going to use it as an eyeshadow. So I'm just going to grab it on this Gosh Cosmetics like pencil kind of brush. Just going to grab that colour. Just going to grab it. Just really going to tap it off so it's like a little bit left. And I'm just going to go slightly on top, and I'm just going to diffuse the colour. So I think I'm going to start on the edge and make it a little bit more smoky. Because it's not too dark, so it should work out okay. Okay, that actually came out well. I thought it was going to be a disaster, but it came out good. So I'm just going to add those two colours back in, because as I was blending, it sort of faded them a little bit. So I'm just going to add and keep blending. Right, so I'm just going to grab just a blending brush now, just any clean blending brush, and I'm just going to diffuse that Huda bronzer. It's not like a harsh line at the top, so it's just a little bit more softer. Yeah, there's a bit of pigment on my lid, but that can't be helped because I'm working with a pigment. So yeah, I'm loving how this eye's coming out. So I'm just now going to grab that gold pigment, just going to take a bit of Pop Quiz. I'm going to just grab a flat brush, and I'm just going to apply this underneath. That was like the tiniest bit on my brush. Oh my god, a little goes a long way. So yeah, I'm just going to add this to the brow bone. I'm going to have to yeah, I'm gonna have to really blend that out. Right, add back my inner corner too. That is nice. And right underneath, I'm gonna grab that same blending brush. I'm just gonna see if I can try and blend that gold out, so it's kind of a little bit more softer sparkle. Oh yeah, that's a bit more softer. Yeah. We've got the crazy gold going on, but then we've also got it a bit more softer. I'm going to remove the tape, and then we can do under the eyes. Right guys, so I've just taken the tape off, and I've finished the rest of my makeup off camera. So I'm looking a bit crazy right now. I have added a Kohl pencil to the waterline. I've used this one. This one is the Kiko Kohl Definition Eyeliner and Kajal. This is a really, really nice eye pencil. It's so pigmented and stays in the eyes all day. Sadly, you can't buy this anymore, but I know that Rimmel does a really, really good one as well. I'll pop it on screen here. I think it's their waterproof eye pencil. That's a really, really nice one. So yeah, that's an alternative if you're looking for a nude eye pencil which is pigmented and stays in the eyes all day. So yep, I've just applied that. I'm going to run a pigment under the eyes. Right, I'm going to take Road Cast on the same angle brush. I've added a bit of extra powder under the eyes because it falls out everywhere, so you've got to be careful of that. So I'm just going to gently okay, so now I'm going to add that Malice shade on that same brush, and I'm just going to connect the outer corners now. I'm pretty much going to do the same like the top, where I'm just going to take my brush and blend these two colours together. Okay, so I've just added those two together. They're blended how I want them to be blended. So I'm just going to add some mascara, and then I'm going to let you guys know my final thoughts. Hello again, guys. So my final thoughts on the pigments. Well, mainly these two. Highly would recommend these pigments. They are so beautiful. They created this really nice eyeliner look with this. And I also gave them a test as well by blending a eyeshadow with the eyeliner just to see if they actually work with eyeshadows, and they blend really, really well with eyeshadows. So I'm very, very impressed with these, and this gold one as well. I love this gold one. This gold one's very, very similar to the is it Kami MUA palette? I've only just thought about this now. So the Kami MUA palette has got this really beautiful cream gold shade in here called Moneymaker, and it's a really, really, really stunning gold color. It's very similar to this, so this is pretty much I would say this is pretty much like a pigment version, this colour, but the only difference is I'd say maybe this one's probably a little bit lighter. That's the only difference, but I love this palette and I especially love that colour. So I'd say if you love that colour from the Kami MUA palette and you want it as a single, I would definitely recommend this, because this is very, very similar to it. It has that same sort of cream texture, just like the palette does. I should definitely give more pigments a try. So yes, love these pigments, definitely recommend them for sure. So if you guys have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, please don't forget to subscribe, please don't forget to hit that notification bell and share this video with your friends, whoever likes makeup. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, link is in the description bar below. Thank you guys so much for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys!